niggas hotter than me? Go ahead, name them. Fuck the luxury of judging me. I'll never be a plaintiff. I'm guaranteeing victories. I'm moving like I'm nameless. And you gon' have to plead your case until the stainless. You wanted attention so bad, now I'ma make you famous. From a time where the stars always wanted to be nameless, but then the fools came in and ushered the rule changes. The era, I'ma throw back to it. I make old crack music, ball heads all in your car. I put the Kojaks through it. I really hope you're listening. Gold chain fisherman, I rock Z28. Come get the Bozaks to it. You niggas is too concerned what your friends doing. Meanwhile, my pen's moving. I'm learning the ropes like a gym student. Any speculation, put an end to it. Cause you can't tell me something's fire till you've been through it. It's Marvin.
Hey, look at you little fag bunny. Getting rabbit, I'm sick and tired of. This shitty ass rabbit stinks. I know. It smells like pussy.
Yeah.
It smells like that.
Clemmy, I know you heard of me, right? I'm on that night with all this ice, they wanna murder me, right? Well, let the games and shit begin. My little homie sip that Jenny, up that letter, ignite that pen. I hope I'm wording it right. Before Corona with the mask, I'm with the purge of the fight. Looking like Rey Mysterio, how I just dove on a flight. Shit, when you're back against the rope and you ain't got no place to go, all you can think about is dope. You want the stove or the mic, battling, show emotions, niggas hoes in your sight. You Madison, guarding them squares, it's like you Hov or you Mike. You legendary, how you carry niggas all through the fight while finding any way to eat. You been a goat all your life. You retrieve that AP, got so much gold to the bite. The diamonds on that bitch so clear, even glow through the night. My Cali homies got that fire. They be stoned every night. Inhaled it, boom, turn into Denzel. You be going on a flight. Thinkers.
Smell like a pile of bullshit.
Yeah. Y'all know what time it is.
Is it dead? I don't know, but I'm gonna make sure.
Yeah, let's do this shit. Hey yo, we rule as kings, from hooping dreams to serving toothless fiends. Accurate aim, throw one in the air, I can shoot a beam. A ruthless team, bar for bar with y'all losing steam. Your verse worthless as a Ben Simmons shooting sleeve. Maneuver scheme, whatever it takes. Endeavors in several states, discussing mortgages and comparing rates. Wine pair with steak, with a pair of models from another land. In 2 years, I turned 15 into 100 grand. You probably snitching, pointing niggas just like Uncle Sam. Fake as Muslims eating chunks of ham. I'm a wolf, I don't lunch with lambs. Your girl in my DM more than those Africans that love to scam. London, France, I got tons of fans. Losing never been a thought. I love the battlefield, Pat Benatar. Now I use the music to reveal my scars. Before this rap shit, I was on 6 miles, still in cars. Now I pay my rent from 20 minutes just from penning bars, nigga.
I wonder if it's dead. Hey, fucking rabbit.
Check. Yeah, yo.
Wonder if you got any money? Check his pocket.
I hear a lot of conversation, talking confrontation, but not a lot of shaking is my observation. Got the paper out my labor cause I jotted greater. Always compensated at my occupation. Highly rated, highly educated on the basics, but they told me that this street shit is not a major. Still I graduated with an undergrad at busting mags, stuffing duffel bags, I guess I'm highly favored. Tried and made it, focused on the truth while they exaggerated. They wanna set the rules when I retaliated. All my marijuana smoke is calibrated. Will always find a way, you let me navigate it. Trust me, if I want it, I'll get at your favorite. My criminal outfit ain't a fashion statement. I get your whole house lit with this match I'm scraping, and burn them stories up that you fabricated. Skill.
Kiss my ass. Let's go, man. Who gives a shit about wine?